So this is going to be the simple facts of what it takes to actually be successful in trading. And the thing about success in trading is that it's an ongoing process, and to be successful is to do something successively. And what it really takes is persistence, commitment, dedication over a long period of time. And to do this, it means that you'll be doing something over and over and over and over again. And a lot of successful traders, by successful, I mean like billionaire traders, right? Of which there are only about, what, 400 or less billionaires who are successful in finance and trading. At that level, they do say that even for them, their trading is boring. And on a normal plateau, in a normal reality, the income that a person can get and the success that a person says that they have, it's just determined on a personal basis. So what are you going to say is success for you? And that's what's going to determine how you should be successful, or how you will define your own success. But in order to reach that goal or the next goal, it is going to take persistence, dedication, commitment. So I'm going to pull up another statistic that I found about success in trading. So just stay tuned and watch that, and you will learn more about this success. But in the words of Charlie Munger, to be successful is to be assiduous, which is to sit on your ass and just do it. Assiduous actually means to be diligent. And this diligence means like you're able to process a lot of information at once, like Paul Tudor Jones says, you're supposed to be able to see the world in a different way. So this is why you need to develop intuition over a long period of time. So I'm going to go over what it really takes to be successful according to the statistics and according to the research. So I'm just going to go over a few statistics about success in Forex trading. So the first one here is that how many traders have been successful. And this is showing the different amounts of times, that the duration of time that a person generally has been trading. So if you've been trading for less time, it means that you have less chance of being successful. But if you've been trading more than 4 years, then you have a higher chance of being successful. So far, just try to take an inventory of how long you have been trading. So beyond this, just try to think of how much quality your trading has had, to say that even in the 1 year or less, because you can make trading successful in less than a year, but this would happen if you have a high quality of practice. So practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. So yeah, let's move on. So another thing here is that for most of the traders trading, some of them are trading on a demo account and some of them are trading on a live account. So if you're trading on a demo, this is you just introducing yourself to trading, but you can't be successful with a demo. But you can now learn to practice to trade with a demo. But you need to move to a live account as soon as possible, even if it means that you're going to have a smaller amount while in the live account. So here is a huge crunch. So how long have you been trading? But more than 4 years and above. This is where we get the real heavyweights and the people who are most successful at trading. So to be in the 1% top trader, it means that you'll be trading for longer, which just generally means you've just had more experience. So the more amount of time you're able or willing to spend to practice in this trade, you will gain more success. But most of the people, in general, most of the people, if you ask a trader, are you a trader? Most of the times, 53% of them are going to be trading less than a year. And only 1% of people who you ask, are you a trader? The only 1% is going to be trading over 10 years. So for you to be successful after 3-4 years, it means that you will be successful and you keep on doing it. But it doesn't mean that from this 53% who are trading for less than a year, it doesn't mean that if you're trading for less than a year, you're going to be unsuccessful. But it just means there's a lower probability according to the statistics. But if you're in this group of the 1%, then you're like trading for like a decade. So it means that you have more experience, so you have a higher chance and probability. But in all this, to be consistent, to be dedicated, and to have an actual method is going to be what differentiates a successful and an unsuccessful trader. So it's not just about the time. You could be trading, you could be in the 1% that trades for longer than 10 years and not make money, but that is very unlikely, but it's possible. But when this is happening, if you are in, let's say, trading for 4 to 10 years, if you're in this group, and you're still not making enough money, it means that there's something that you just need to tweak, and something that you just need to fix. Perhaps now you know the method. Perhaps now you need to know the money management, or perhaps now you need to master trading psychology. So in all this, just don't quit. That's the point. Don't stop, don't quit. You can do it as long as you keep at it, as long as you stick to it. So stick to itiveness is going to put you in the top 1% of traders, and this group of people is very, very rare. Most people are here. Most people are trading, are going to be wiped out in less than a year. The 90 rule is within 90 days 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital. So trade carefully.